Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at budgeting. IXL Core allows us to create budgets and have budgets set up in the system. This is where we can set up financial targets and we'll be able to compare that on our reports with the various actual numbers. So on our menu, on the left, we go to budget. And the budget, there are two ways. We can create a new budget, which you do it manually in the system, or we can import a budget. The system, again, gives us the leeway to have a sample for the month, for the quarter, or for the year. We can download any of these files. Once we download them, fill them up in, and then import them as the budget for the year. So if I put the year, then I'll be definitely using the download sample for the year to be able to do my uploads. And the accounting module, still, when we're talking about budget, we can be able to create a new budget. It's a monthly budget or a quarterly budget or a yearly budget. You click, so you choose the type of budget, the fiscal period that we're going to use, and then we proceed. So the year is 2025. It's a profit and loss for the year. We're creating a budget for the P&L and for the year. We create the budget from scratch, or we create budget from previous year actual data. The system gives us these sources of information, and we can say we want to create from scratch, from prior year, and therefore the accounts are all created for us and the expense account. So we can input the details of all that we know and create the budget for the month. So whatever figure we put and say amortization of expense, we expect to be 9,000. We expect bad debts of 700, and so on and so forth. We're setting up a yearly budget. So we can save that or delete if that's not what you want, and then delete from that budget. So all our budgets can be set up from here. We can either import the budget, and the system will allow us to download the Excel to assist us in having everything, or we can do a quarterly budget and do it inside IXL Core by creating a new budget. Profit and loss budget, same process, and we create a budget from scratch, and with that we have the account total, we have the quarterly figures. So let's say we have 1,000 there, and the amount total would amount to the 4,000 or to the period that we are looking, the annual total for that. So that's how we create a budget inside IXL Core. Once we are done, we do save the budget, and the system updates the budget automatically. In case we have to redo, or in case we want to delete the budget, we can, as usual, have the powers to delete the budget, save the budget, or clear the budget and bring in other figures for that. And that's IXL Core for you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.